In business, meetings are used to plan projects, share information, and make decisions. Scheduling a meeting clearly is important so everyone knows when and where to attend. If details are not confirmed, people may arrive at the wrong time, go to the wrong place, or miss the meeting altogether. Clear scheduling helps work run smoothly and allows people to prepare in advance. It also helps avoid additional messages or last-minute changes that can cause confusion. When setting up a meeting, polite questions are commonly used. For example, "Can we meet at 2 p.m. on Thursday?" Or, "Would you be free tomorrow afternoon?" These expressions are clear and easy to respond to. If the suggested time is not convenient, a reply such as, "I'm sorry, I'm busy then. How about Friday morning?" shows availability and suggests an alternative. Confirming details is also an important part of scheduling. Phrases like, "So the meeting is on Friday at 10 a.m., correct?" Or, "I will send a calendar invitation," help ensure that everyone has the same information. Clear scheduling language reduces mistakes, saves time, and prevents confusion.